And the Ohio Digital Library is our last resource for this unit. Once again, this is under eLibrary eBooks, the last thing on the page. Now notice you can download this as an app to your device, but for today we're just going to do the website. This is probably the widest variety of ebooks and audiobooks that you are going to get. So I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something in particular. And we're going to go ahead and launch the online viewer. So from here, we need to go ahead and sign in. So let's click sign in. It says select your library from the list below. So you need to scroll down and select Midpoint Library. Then you need to enter your card number in and your PIN. Do not click remember me on this device, as you will not be using this computer all the time necessarily, but you might be able to do that on your own device such as your phone. So go ahead and click sign in. And again, you don't want to save the password. And here's your basic view. Now this does say Try Libby, the new app. I would highly recommend that if you're going to put this on your own device instead of the Ohio Digital Library app. I think Libby's a little bit easier to use, but for the website this works just fine. Now notice you have your account. This will show you the loans you have out, holds, your wish list, and your history. This button is going to take you to all those things, kind of like your bookshelf. So we do not have any loans out, and we can borrow 10 titles. So if we are going to look for some of these, let's go to the kids section and see what we can find. So from the kids section, we have a lot of these, and notice they're telling us if they're available or not. Here we also have a label of if it's an ebook or an audiobook. Ebook. It's going to tell us what we are going for. And we've got only the available titles listed here, it looks like. Notice that these say wait list. So you're going to have to add a hold and wait in line for these books. And again, when you see two titles of the same thing, notice that one of them is probably in each format. So all of these are open to you. I want you to go ahead and browse under the Kid tab for a book that you would like to read. I want you to get an ebook this time. So I'd like you to check out a book that you're actually going to read yourself, and we're going to borrow it. So if I want to read Diary of a Fly, oh, that's an audiobook. That's not a good choice. Let's say I want to read, oh, how about Hidden Figures? Let's go with Hidden Figures. I'm going to hit borrow. This tells me I can have it for 21 days. Notice you can check it out for less if you'd like, but I would go ahead and recommend the 21 days, and then you can return it or if you're done early. Now this gives you some choices. If you're reading this on your own device, you can read now with Kindle, and it'll send it to your own device. You can also do it with an EPUB if it's on your own device, but if you're using this on a computer, I would recommend Read Now in browser. That's going to open up the Ohio Digital browser for you, and you're ready to read. You've got the title there, and you're just going to click on the side to navigate through the pages. So I'd like you to go ahead and take a minute and find one you would like to read and give it a read.